and what should it contain? It's a way or meant to be a tool to take the knowledge that you hopefully are gaining through the course, take it with you home, to your work, to your country, and implement some of it, some of the knowledge, part of it, something connected to what we've talked about these 3 weeks, into your work, and hopefully can help you in your work, your actual situation, because that's of course very different between all of you. So identify a work challenge. What challenge or opportunity is most relevant at my institution or country or work that I want to work with. Maybe there's a more relevant thing, but you need ownership to solve the task, you can say. Is there anything during the course that you have learned that you can use and link with it? We can of course help with providing additional information on some topics. What actions should be taken when you return home? What are the stakeholders in your at your place, at your work? What can be done? Who should you involve in this work? And is there any support needed from, for instance, your the level above you, where you are? I guess some of you have a guy or girl further up in the organization that's you probably need to talk to about what should we implement. Identify if there's any barriers, opportunities as the first step to see if this is possible. Because if you know what could block the process, it's much easier to overcome these problems. If you know them in advance, then you are prepared when they will show up. That can be a boss that says no, or says no, and so on, and other people you are working with.